Alright, people, welcome back with me again. You know what? I would like to share something here. How to get crossing the river here. You know what? His name, guys, Olia Rusli. You wanna go across the way, cross this, cross the river here. You know what? This is very toy, beautiful area here. This seem like, very toy, like, Nebraska river there in United States here. That women very tall, strong, how way the crossing, the river, very traditional. Here we don't have bridge here, you know that. So how to get there, how to crossing the river there. This is very tall, unique, and then very tall, hard for every people here. We call that here the Naga Umbang village. Every single Sunday, Monday here, every afternoon, just relax here and then just enjoying this view, and that make us very joy awesome on a client night today. But I would like to share something for that guys. His name is Aulia Rusli. He's still single now. I would like to looking for a good wife there. You know what? You know, when you go somewhere like this, if you have, feel something better, want to looking for the beautiful panorama, like like you're saying, like your country, United States, you could visit to Aceh exactly. Aceh something, you know what? This this only this for you can see in your life in your eyes, but the other part in Aceh exactly like we call like Middle Aceh, South Aceh, very tall awesome there. Alright, so if you want to visit Aceh, don't forget to stop by in Naga Umbang. Naga Umbang, the most village, very totally beautiful village. One of Great Aceh, we call that Lunga. That guy, can you see that? Get that, I'm gonna get photo. Yeah, just watch out. Yeah, what they do there, just slowly, just watch what they do. Touch something, trees, leaf, trees there, or just pick up the doggy there, just wait up, then doing there. If you don't have the skill how to get across in this river, it's very toy dangerous. Just only use rubber there, and then using like a